Hello there, I am Dinesh. I am internationally recognized level 3 certified personal trainer from NASM. I'm making this video keeping in mind the most common problem of this generation. Either having a one-pack ab, which is a big belly, or not having six-packs or at least visible abs despite putting so much effort in the gym. To find out the root cause of this problem, I interviewed some of my clients, the members of the gym, and some of my friends who are not even into fitness journey. After reviewing the results, I came to a conclusion that for those who are regularly hitting the gym, the reason why they are not having six-packs or at least visible abs is the difficulty of exercises they have chosen. The exercises are a pro or an athlete level. Just because it's not easy to perform, they are leaving the exercises in just a matter of days, not being consistent at all. And for those who haven't even taken a step into the fitness journey, they assume that getting abs is a very difficult task. And even if they want to, they do not know how to start. They do not even know the basic exercises. As a personal trainer, my job is to make the exercises as easy as possible and as enjoyable as possible. So I have personally handpicked some of the exercises from the gallery which are very easy to perform, which do not need any equipment and are super effective in getting at least visible abs. Worry not, I'm not gonna try these exercises on you. Before I make this video, I've tried these exercises on my clients and some of the members of the gym, some of my friends who are sitting idle at home, and on myself. And after figuring out these exercises are really effective in getting six packs or at least visible abs, I have put it on a video and I'm sharing it with you and with the rest of the world who are in need. The beauty of the exercises that I have chosen is you don't need any equipment. You don't even need to go and get a gym membership if you are not enrolled anywhere yet. You just need a floor. You just need a mat if you have. If not, that's fine. You just need a strong mindset of getting the exercises done and a visualization of yourself in about 30 to 60 days from now on flexing your own abs. You are watching me means you need them, and I assure you, you are at the right place. I know you have lots of questions in your mind, but out of all the questions, there are two most common questions. I know them already. How? Because I'm just like you. So I've gone through these phases and I know your questions. Thank me later for knowing your questions already. I'm going to answer the most common two questions at the end of the video, which is going to be the best part of the video. Don't skip the video, watch it till the end, watch all the exercises, get your questions answered and get going. Before I go ahead and show you all these exercises, I just want to tell you that you don't need any prior knowledge to do these exercises. So these are for complete beginners as well, which can be done at home. And for you guys who are already gym goers, there's no doubt you can easily do these exercises like this. I can already see the excitement in your faces. Let me not keep you waiting. Let's give it a start. The first exercise we are doing is scissors. Lie flat on the ground, lift your upper body up, hold it on your elbows, keep your toes out and swing your legs like scissors. Second exercise is crunches. Lie flat on the ground, lift your knees up, squeeze your stomach, keep your hands on the temple, lift your upper body up while breathing out, keeping the stomach squeezed, keeping the chin up, and repeat. Third exercise is a rope pull. Lie flat on the ground, lift your knees a little, imagine there's a rope hanging and you are holding the rope and your life depends on that rope. Pull the rope, squeeze the stomach and breathe out with each pull. And we move on to this next exercise, cycle. Lift your upper body up, hold it with your elbows, squeeze the stomach and start pedaling the cycle. A big no in this exercise is to hold the breath. So keep breathing throughout the exercise. Next is leg raises. Lie flat on the ground, squeeze the stomach, hold the body steady with the arms and raise your legs as high as possible while breathing out and repeat. Next exercise is a world famous exercise, bicycle crunches. Lie flat on the ground, squeeze your stomach and touch the knees with the opposite elbow, breathing out, keeping the chin up, and do it on both the sides. Next is a beautiful exercise to hit the oblique muscles, Russian twist. Hold your body upright to 30 to 45 degree angle. Touch the floor with your hands, keeping the stomach squeezed, twisting only the upper body. Next is high crunches. Squeeze your stomach, lift your knees up, keep your chin up, and try to reach as high as possible while breathing out, still squeezing the stomach. Next we are doing is opposite toe touches. Lie flat on the ground, spread your legs and arms, touch the opposite toe, squeeze the stomach, repeat. This is crunches with a challenge. We are doing the same crunches exercise, spinning the imaginary wheel that is on our knees. Next we are doing is a boat hold. Lift your upper and lower body to this position and hold as long as you can while still breathing in and out. And here comes the last one. This is also a boat hold but with a challenge. Hold your body like a boat hold and flap your arms like wings, still squeezing the stomach, still breathing in and out as long as you can. And keep flying. Finally, this time has arrived where I answer your questions. The most common two questions that goes in your head. The first question is, do I really need to do all these? And if yes, how many times? Second question is, if I do all these, in how many days can I see abs? Did I guess it correct? Type yes or no in the comments below and join the conversation. The answer to the first question is, how many can you do? It entirely depends on you. If you can do all the exercises on the very first day, go for it. If not, choose 5 to 6 easy exercises and then do it 8 to 10 times, 1 to 3 sets. You understand sets and reps? The number of times that you do the exercise are sets. The number of counts that you do on every exercise is repetitions or reps. So on the first day, choose 6 easy exercises. Do it 10 to 12 repetitions, 1 to 3 sets. On the second day, you challenge yourself in increasing the repetition from 12 to 15. On the third day, you may add 1 exercise. So gradually you progress, and in about 10 to 15 days, you should be able to do all these exercises, at least 8 to 12 repetitions, at least 1 to 3 sets. This is for them who are a complete beginner. And for you gym brothers and gym sisters, don't even think of skipping anything from the list. And don't even think of decreasing the repetition or sets. You do them all because you are capable of doing them all. Now comes the second question. In how many days will you see the abs? How dedicated you are, how determined and motivated you are in doing these, and how consistent you will be. And the most important question, in your visualization, you have visualized yourself flexing your abs in how many days? Now, I believe you got your answer. The higher the repetition, the sets of the exercise, and the consistent you are in the exercise, sooner you're going to see your abs. It may be 30 days, 45 days, 6 months, 1 year, up to you. Talking about my experience when I tried it on myself and some of my clients, we saw very good results in just a matter of 30 to 40 days. Now, before we part ways, I want you to do one thing, to save the video. Why? To share it. If you feel this video is going to be helpful, you can share it right away. If you have doubt, you try it on yourself, see the results, believe it, and then share it with the loved ones. I want everyone I know to be healthy, to not have a big belly and live a healthy life, Don't you want the same? Yes, I know you want the same. So share it with the loved ones, spread the love. Sharing is caring, and sharing this video with your loved ones is also completely free for you. But to me, it means a ton of motivation. So please do it. And thank you already for doing that. And now, please put your feedbacks and suggestions in the comments below and tell me what would you like to learn next. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.